Hello everyone and welcome back to Scholar IS, your one-stop solution for UPSC as well as state PSC preparation. My name is Gaurav Tiwari and I'm here to take you through the syllabus of Madhya Pradesh for your prelims examination. This whole series is according to the new syllabus, the revised syllabus of Madhya Pradesh Public Service Commission. So let's start with our today's lecture. So we're studying about Madhya Pradesh. In the previous unit, we read about the introductory part of Madhya Pradesh. Now we'll start with Madhya Pradesh geography in today's lecture. We'll first discuss about the introductory part. पहले हम introductory part एक मध्य प्रदेश का discuss करेंगे. We'll do a comparative analysis कि इंडिया और मध्य प्रदेश में क्या क्या चीजें हैं, जैसे कि एरिया इंडिया का क्या है, मध्य प्रदेश के क्या है, व्हाट इज द लॉन्गिट्यूड ऑफ इंडिया, व्हाट इज द लॉन्गिट्यूड ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश. Similarly, we'll take up a few more points in that, and then we'll move forward and we'll read about the physical divisions that are present in Madhya Pradesh. I hope this part is clear to all of you. So let's start our today's lecture. So Madhya Pradesh, as the name suggests, what is the meaning of Madhya Pradesh? मध्य प्रदेश, as the name suggests, it means central region. मध्य प्रदेश का मतलब क्या है? सेंट्रल रीजन. और इसको ये नाम मध्य प्रदेश इसीलिए मिला है बिकॉज इट इज लोकेटेड इन द सेंटर ऑफ इंडिया. नाउ very important point, until 2000 Madhya Pradesh was the largest state of India according to area. What happened in 2000? In 2000 bifurcation of Madhya Pradesh took place. Madhya Pradesh में bifurcation हो गया और एक नया state was carved out of Madhya Pradesh and its name is Chhattisgarh. And now Madhya Pradesh is second largest state of India according to area. And which is the largest state of India according to area? It is Rajasthan. And when we arrange all the states of India according to their population, Madhya Pradesh stands at 5th rank. I hope this is clear. So area wise, Madhya Pradesh is the 5th largest state of India. Now, Madhya Pradesh is a landlocked state, that is, it does not share any international border, neither does it have any coastline. So, कोई coastline नहीं है, कोई international border नहीं है. Madhya Pradesh is a centrally located landlocked state. Now, Madhya Pradesh shares its boundary with 5 other states. They are UP, Chhattisgarh, then we have Maharashtra, Gujarat and Rajasthan. ये मैंने सारे क्लॉकवाइज बताए. नाउ इन द नॉर्थ ईस्ट इट टचेस उत्तर प्रदेश. यहाँ पे कहीं उत्तर प्रदेश है जो कि मुरैना की बाउंड्री से चालू होता है और सिंगरौली तक जाता है. देन इन द वेस्ट वी हैव गुजरात. तो यहाँ कहीं वेस्ट में वी हैव गुजरात विच शेयर्स बाउंड्री विद मध्य प्रदेश. इन द साउथ वेस्ट इट टचेस महाराष्ट्र. ये पार्ट जो है यहाँ पे महाराष्ट्र से अपनी बाउंड्री शेयर करता है. देन इन साउथ ईस्ट वी हैव छत्तीसगढ़ एंड here in the northwest we have Rajasthan. So from Morena to Singrauli we have UP, then from Singrauli to Balaghat we have Chhattisgarh, then from Balaghat to Alirajpur we have Maharashtra, then Alirajpur to Jhabua we have Gujarat, and from Jhabua to again Morena we have Rajasthan here sharing boundary with Madhya Pradesh. Now one notable fact is Madhya Pradesh has highest forest cover in India, forest area in India. I hope this is clear to all of you. So now let's do a comparative analysis about India and Madhya Pradesh. अब हम दोनों का देखेंगे कि इंडिया में क्या है और मध्य प्रदेश में क्या पोजीशन है. Like India is the 7th largest country in the world. सातवीं सबसे बड़ी country है according to area in the world. While Madhya Pradesh is the second largest state of India. Which is the largest state of India? It is Rajasthan according to area. Then the area of India is 32.87 lakh square kilometers, which is roughly around 2.42% of the area of world. So 2.42% पूरी दुनिया का एरिया इंडिया में है, that is around 32.87 lakh square kilometers. While the area of Madhya Pradesh is 308252. Learn it like a phone number. एक फोन नंबर की तरह इसे याद कर लीजिए. It is 308252 square kilometers or it is about 10%, 9.38% of the area of India. Population wise, India is second largest country in the world and its population is around 16.7% of the world population. While population wise Madhya Pradesh 5th largest state है इंडिया का और इसकी population पूरी इंडिया की population की 6% है. Then the latitude of India is 8 degree 4 minutes to 37 degrees 6 minutes. What exactly are latitudes? The horizontal lines are known as latitudes, like equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. These are latitudes. While the latitudinal extent of Madhya Pradesh is 21 degree 6 minutes to 26 degree 30 minutes. What are longitudes? The vertical lines like the Greenwich meridian, these are Indian standard meridian, these are longitudes. So longitudinal extent of India is 68 degrees 7 minutes to 97 degrees 25 minutes, while that of longitudinal extent of Madhya Pradesh is 74 degree 59 minutes to 82 degree 66 minutes. I hope this part is clear to all of you. Then Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 states in India, while Tropic of Cancer passes through 14 districts in Madhya Pradesh. तो इस चीज को, इस पॉइंट को बहुत ही अच्छे से याद कर लें, बहुत बार क्वेश्चन आ चुका है कि ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर इंडिया के कितने स्टेट से पास होता है। तो ये 8 स्टेट से पास होता है। और ये क्वेश्चन भी आ सकता है कि मध्य प्रदेश में कितने डिस्ट्रिक्ट से पास होता है। तो मध्य प्रदेश में 14 डिस्ट्रिक्ट से पास होता है। Highest peak of India is K2, that is Godwin Austen. It is located in Pakistan occupied Kashmir currently, while the highest peak of Madhya Pradesh is Dhupgarh. It is located in Pachmadi, which is in Hoshangabad district. Now India shares its maximum boundary with Bangladesh, while Madhya Pradesh shares its maximum boundary with Uttar Pradesh. See, there was this introductory lecture wherein we studied that Madhya Pradesh shared its maximum boundary with Rajasthan. So I was wrong at that point. मैंने एक किताब में पढ़ा था, but I guess किताब में थोड़ा सा गलत दिया हुआ था. So अब हमने काफी thoroughly इस point को थोड़ा सा research करके यहाँ पे डाला है. It shares its maximum boundary with Uttar Pradesh. Please learn this fact and correct yourself. I hope everything up till here is clear to all of you. Let's move forward now and discuss few more facts about Madhya Pradesh. So, as you all know, the area of Madhya Pradesh after division, that is in 2000, after 2000 is 308252 square kilometers. क्या एरिया बढ़ घट सकता है क्या? अगर स्टेट चाहे तो, but it is constant since the year 2000. The area of undivided MP on the other hand was 443444. I hope this is clear. इसको ऐसा का ऐसा याद कर लीजिए, ये भी पूछ सकते हैं. Then the length of MP. What is the length of MP? That is ये part जो है, that this is the length of MP. Length of MP is 605 kilometers, while the width is 870 kilometers. The length of undivided MP on the other hand was 1127 kilometers, and its width was 996 kilometers. So now let's move forward. The northernmost district of Madhya Pradesh is Morena. जो सबसे ज्यादा नॉर्थ में है डिस्ट्रिक्ट लोकेटेड वो है मुरैना. देख लीजिए आप, ये भिंड के थोड़ा सा ऊपर निकल रही है, इसलिए मुरैना भिंड से जीत गई. देन इन द साउथ द सदर्न मोस्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट है कौन सी? बुरहानपुर. यू कैन सी दिस बुरहानपुर इज द सदर्न मोस्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश. देन द ईस्टर्न मोस्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट इज सिंगरौली. It is also the energy capital of Madhya Pradesh. Then in the west we have Alirajpur. I hope this is clear to all of you. Alirajpur में lowest literacy rate है, both male, female and both combined. दोनों rate यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा कम है. Now the nearest country to Madhya Pradesh is Nepal. Nearest sea is Arabian Sea. The center of present day India is located in one of the district of Madhya Pradesh, that is Vidisha. Vidisha में located है India का center. Then there is a time difference between the easternmost part and the westernmost point of Madhya Pradesh, and this time difference is of 34 minutes. That is सिंगरौली और अलीराजपुर में एक टाइम डिफरेंस है 34 मिनट्स का, बट हम एक टाइमलाइन इंडिया में फॉलो करते हैं, दैट इज इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड टाइम, वही फॉलो करते हैं, इसलिए ये टाइम को हम इग्नोर कर देते हैं. बट सन राइजेस 34 मिनट्स अर्लियर इन सिंगरौली देन इन अलीराजपुर. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. Now there are 18 landlocked districts in Madhya Pradesh. That is, these are the districts which do not share their boundary with any other state. ऐसी 18 districts हैं मध्य प्रदेश में. Remember this as well. Now Niwari is the district which shares maximum interstate boundary. Where is Niwari? This is the newly created district of Niwari. Here टीकमगढ़ को आप यहाँ कहीं से काट देंगे तो ये जो बचा हुआ पार्ट है ये है नया डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ निवारी. यू कैन सी मेनी प्रोट्रूडिंग एरियाज, बहुत सारे फ्रिंजेस निकले हुए हैं, इसीलिए इसकी इंटरस्टेट बॉर्डर बहुत ज्यादा है. शेयर जो करता है वो बहुत ज्यादा है. प्रायर टू निवारी इट वाज नीमच विच शेयर्ड मैक्सिमम इंटरस्टेट बॉर्डर. Now let's move forward. Singrauli is the district which shares its border with CG and UP, that is Chhattisgarh and Uttar Pradesh. In the north there is Uttar Pradesh and in the south there is Chhattisgarh. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट बालाघाट एक ऐसा डिस्ट्रिक्ट है जो अपनी बॉर्डर शेयर करता है महाराष्ट्र से इन दी साउथ एंड छत्तीसगढ़ से यहाँ कहीं. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर. देन अलीराजपुर इज द डिस्ट्रिक्ट विच शेयर्स इट्स बाउंड्री विद गुजरात एज वेल एज महाराष्ट्र। सो यहाँ बीच में कहीं गुजरात है और नीचे महाराष्ट्र और ऊपर गुजरात। देन वी हैव झाबुआ। अगेन झाबुआ शेयर्स इट्स बाउंड्री विद गुजरात एज वेल एज राजस्थान। एंड वी हैव टू डिस्ट्रिक्ट विच शेयर्स बाउंड्री विद यूपी एज वेल एज राजस्थान। एक है शिवपुरी। यू कैन सी इट इज लोकेटेड इन द नेक ऑफ एमपी, या नेक में एमपी के सिचुएटेड है शिवपुरी। इसके लेफ्ट में यहाँ पे है राजस्थान, इसके राइट में यहाँ पे है यूपी। And then we have Morena. Morena also shares its boundary with Rajasthan as well as UP. I hope everything up till here is clear to all of you. So this finishes our introductory part. Let's move forward and talk about the physical divisions that are present in Madhya Pradesh. So physical divisions are broadly categorized into three parts. They are the Central Highland, then we have Satpura Michael Range, then we have Bagelkhand Plateau. Now Central Highland is further classified into the Plateau of Central India, Bundelkhand Plateau, Riva Panna Plateau, Malwa Plateau and Narmada Son Valley. So how many physical divisions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. These whole ये पांचों मिलके तो सेंट्रल हाईलैंड बनाते हैं. So ये 5, 6 और 7. So in total 7 physical divisions are there. Now let's read them one by one. First is the Central Highland. Central Highland is further divided into Plateau of Central India. This is the Plateau of Central India. You can see this blue region. ये blue में जो है ये है Plateau of Central India. Then we have Bundelkhand Plateau. This region in pink is Bundelkhand Plateau. This comprises of this Tikamgarh, Chhatarpur, some part of Panna, and then some part of Datia and Shivpuri as well. So ये है बुंदेलखंड. Then we have Riva Panna Plateau. You can see रीवा पन्ना प्लाट्यू, दमोह, पन्ना, सतना और रीवा, ये 4 डिस्ट्रिक्ट रीवा पन्ना प्लाट्यू में आते हैं. देन वी हैव मालवा प्लाट्यू. यू कैन सी द एंटायर western flank of Madhya Pradesh is covered by Malwa Plateau. Then below Malwa Plateau we have Narmada Son Valley. That is the region between the two mountain ranges Vindhya and Satpura is the Narmada Son Valley. और इन विंध्या और सतपुड़ा के बीच से हमारी नर्मदा फ्लो करती है. दिस रीजन इज नोन एज नर्मदा सोन वैली. सो ये 5 पार्ट मिलके बनाते हैं सेंट्रल हाईलैंड, जो कि मध्य प्रदेश का एक सबसे बड़ा फिजिकल डिवीजन है ब्रॉड कैटेगरीज में. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. जब हम ब्रॉड कैटेगरीज की बात करें कि सेंट्रल हाईलैंड, बघेलखंड और सतपुड़ा में कौन सा सबसे ज्यादा बड़ा फिजिकल डिविजन है, देन इट इज सेंट्रल हाईलैंड. और सबकी बात करें, जब सारे मिला के बात करें कि इन पांचों को भी काउंट करें, देन इट इज मालवा प्लेट्यू. यू कैन सी it's very big. So now let's read them one by one. First is the Plateau of Central India. It is situated in the north of Madhya Pradesh, northern part of Madhya Pradesh. आप देख सकते हैं north का जो blue portion है ये है Central India Plateau. Then इसका area है around 32,896 kilometer and which is around 10.68% of total area of Madhya Pradesh. It covers the district like Bhind, Morena, Gwalior, Shivpuri, Guna and Mandsaur. It is composed of Vindhyan rock group. Very important. See, you need to remember the rock group. Why? क्योंकि कभी कभी इन पर्टिकुलर रॉक ग्रुप में बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट मिनरल्स मिलते हैं, जैसे कि कड्डप्पा रॉक ग्रुप है जिसमें कि हमें डायमंड मिलता है, या फिर गोंडवाना रॉक ग्रुप है जिसमें हमें कभी कभी कोल मिल जाता है. तो इसलिए ये थोड़े थोड़े इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो यहाँ पे विंध्यन रॉक ग्रुप मिलता है और एक बहुत ही अच्छी सॉइल यहाँ पे मिलती है, दैट इज फर्टाइल सॉइल मिलती है. अच्छी से मेरा मतलब है fertile soil मिलती है, alluvial soil, and it is prominently formed in this northern part of Madhya Pradesh. Apart from that, Deccan Trap forms the southern boundary of this central island. Central India plateau. And in the west, it is surrounded by Bundi and Karoli hills. यहाँ पे कहीं बूंदी और करौली hills हैं. Let's move forward now. Now, river चंबल flows through this region. एक चंबल रिवर यहाँ से कहीं ओरिजिनेट होती है, इंदौर में महू से. वो ये ट्रैक लेके है और यहाँ पे राइट टर्न मारते हुए इंडिया और राजस्थान के बीच में एक बॉर्डर बना देती है रिवर चंबल. सो ये चंबल रिवर फ्लो करती है प्लेट्यू ऑफ सेंट्रल इंडिया में. नाउ देयर इज अ पर्टिकुलर फीचर दैट इज अटैच्ड टू रिवर चंबल, दैट इज बीहड़. चंबल रिवर रेवाइंस क्रिएट करती है, एंड दीज रेवाइंस इन हिंदी दे आर नोन एज बीहड़. दे आर क्रिएटेड बिकॉज ऑफ द एक्यूट फ्लो ऑफ वाटर. बहुत तेजी से गशिंग वाटर जाता है, इसके चक्कर में बीहड़ बन जाते हैं. व्हाट एग्जैक्टली आर बीहड़? जो रिवर कोर्स के बीच में कहीं कहीं छोटे छोटे केव्स बन जाते हैं मिट्टी के, उन्हें हम बीहड़ कहते हैं. These the factors that contribute to the formation of बीहड़ are गली इरोजन. ठीक है, डिफॉरेस्टेशन होता है जो कि वाटर का फ्लो, डिफॉरेस्टेशन के कारण वाटर का फ्लो अब नहीं रुक पाता तो और तेजी से जाता है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट एब्सेंस ऑफ हार्ड रॉक, सॉफ्ट रॉक रहेंगे तो उतना ज्यादा उसमें केव होगा, उतना ज्यादा इरोडिंग होगी उनकी, इसीलिए यहाँ पे हार्ड रॉक से बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, एब्सेंस ऑफ हार्ड रॉक एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है बीहड़ फॉर्मेशन में. देन वी हैव स्लोपिंग लैंड व्हिच फर्दर इंक्रीजेस दिस स्पीड ऑफ फ्लोइंग वाटर. आई होप दिस पार्ट इज क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. तो अगर कभी क्वेश्चन आएगा कि विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फैक्टर्स आर एसोसिएटेड विद द फ्लो ऑफ रिवर चंबल, मार्क बीहड़ क्रिएशन और रिवाइन क्रिएशन. Then other major rivers that flow through the region are river Kali Sindh and Parvati apart from Chambal. The average elevation that is समतल सतह से कितना ऊपर है, 300 से 500 मीटर ऊपर है. The slope of the central India plateau is from south towards north, that is south थोड़ा ऊपर है, north थोड़ा नीचे है. ये हम कैसे बोल सकते हैं? All the rivers that are flowing in this region that they are flowing towards North India and not South India. That is why we can say it is sloping towards north. Average rainfall that is received by this plateau of central India is around 57 to 75 centimeters. Bhind, which receive least rainfall in Madhya Pradesh, is located in plateau of central India. Climate is basically continental type, and wheat, barley, and jowar are the crops that are grown in this area. I hope this part is clear to all of you. आप अब अच्छे से समझ पा रहे हैं. कुछ कुछ फैक्ट्स इसके हैं जो आपको याद रखने पड़ेंगे, जैसे कि चंबल यहाँ से फ्लो होती है, जैसे कि अलूवियल सॉइल यहाँ पे मिलती है, विंध्यन रॉक ग्रुप मिलते हैं यहाँ पे, और पार्वती और काली सिंध जैसी नदियां यहाँ से बहती हैं. ये सारे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं दैट यू शुड कीप इन माइंड. लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड एंड डिस्कस द नेक्स्ट फिजिकल डिवीजन दैट इज बुंदेलखंड प्लेट्यू. हमने वो पिंक पार्ट देखा था. लेट मी टेक यू बैक. दिस इज बुंदेलखंड प्लेट्यू. यू कैन सी दिस पिंक रीजन इज बुंदेलखंड. अब हम उस मैप पे जाएंगे, सो यू विल बी एबल टू मेक आउट which districts are there under बुंदेलखंड. So it comprises of some part of Chhatarpur, Tikamgarh. Apart from that, Gwalior, Datia, and some part of Bhind and Gwalior is also under this Bundelkhand plateau. But इसका major area जो है वो यूपी में आता है बुंदेलखंड का. It lies east to the plateau of central India, and to the east of it lies Riva Panna plateau. That is east of Bundelkhand plateau lies the Riva Panna plateau. It extends in two states, that is MP and UP, as I've already told you. It covers an area of 22,733 kilometers in Madhya Pradesh, which is around 7% of the area of MP. It covers districts like Tikamgarh, Niwari, the newly created district of Niwari. How can we forget that? Okay, so Niwari is another district under this Bundelkhand plateau. And then we have Chhatarpur and Datia as well. And some part of Shivpuri also comes under this Bundelkhand plateau. It is composed of granite and gneiss rocks, and major rivers that flow through this area are Betwa, Ken, Dhasan, Sindh. All of these rivers drain this region of Bundelkhand. Now, very important fact to remember here is Ken Betwa link project. This Betwa river, it rises from Kumragaon, Raisen, and this Ken river rises from Katni, and both of them flows northward. I hope this is clear to all of you. Now there is a project which links this Ken and Betwa rivers, and this Ken Betwa linking project passes through one of the most important national park, that is Panna National Park. केन बेतवा को लिंक करने का जो प्रोजेक्ट है, ये पन्ना नेशनल पार्क के बीच से होके गुजरता है. सो अराउंड पन्ना नेशनल पार्क में इसके कारण काफी ज्यादा ecological disturbance है. So that is why this Ken Betwa link project was in news recently. Then what type of soil is found in this region? Mixed soil is found in this region, and continental type of climate is there. Average elevation of this Bundelkhand region is around 150 to 450 meter above the ground level. It receives rainfall of 75 to 103 centimeters. Now very important fact is the highest peak. Highest peak of this Bundelkhand region is Siddh Baba. I hope this part is clear to all of you. Its height is 1172 meters, while the highest peak of Madhya Pradesh is Dhupgarh, and its height is 1350 meters. Jowar, wheat, and lentil are the main crops that are grown in this Bundelkhand plateau. Now let's move forward and talk about the next plateau, that is Riva Panna plateau. Riva Panna plateau is situated to the east of this Bundelkhand plateau. It covers an area of 31,955 kilometers. और ये 31,955 kilometers is roughly around 10.737% of area of MP. मैक्सिमम हाइट रीवा पन्ना प्लेट्यू की है 750 मीटर्स एंड एवरेज एलिवेशन है 300 से 450 के बीच में. द हाईएस्ट पीक ऑफ दिस रीवा पन्ना प्लेट्यू इज गुडविल पीक. In Hindi, this Goodwill Peak is known as Sadbhavna Shikhar, and this Goodwill Peak or Sadbhavna Shikhar, this is located in Damoh district of Madhya Pradesh. I hope this is clear. Or what is the height of this Goodwill Peak? It is 753 meter. Average rainfall that is received in this region is 125 centimeter. 125 centimeter की बारिश यहाँ पे औसतन होती है. Then the area is drained by two very important rivers, Bihar and Tons. Now why are they important? Because MP's highest waterfall, MP का सबसे ऊंचा waterfall यहाँ पे located है. That is Chechai waterfall is located on Bihar river. I hope this is clear to all of you. Most of these rivers they originate in Kamur range. Now, very important limestone and diamond, they are found in this region and Kaddappa rock system यहाँ पे मिलता है जो कि जिसमें हमें diamond मिलता है. Now, laterite soil covers most of the area. Apart from that, wheat, jowar and oil seeds are grown in this region. Next is Malwa Plateau. It covers almost entire western region of Madhya Pradesh. Let me take you backwards and I'll show you that how much area Malwa Plateau covers, and then we'll look at the districts that are covered under Malwa Plateau. So you can see this whole western fringe is covered by Malwa Plateau. Now let's move forward and we'll take a look at the districts that are covered under Malwa Plateau. So Alirajpur, Ratlam, Neemuch, Mandsaur, Dhar, Devas, Bhopal, Ujjain, Rajgarh, Sihor, Vidisha, Guna, even Guna, all these districts are covered under Malwa Plateau. Now its area is around 88,222 square kilometers, which is roughly 28.6% of the area of Madhya Pradesh. Major river यहाँ से बहुत सारी flow करती हैं, जैसे कि चंबल, शिप्रा, महानदी and पार्वती. I hope that you'll remember these things. Then the highest peak of this region, that is Malwa region, is Sigar Peak. Its height is 881 meters. Climate is mostly tropical monsoon and majorly black soil is found in this region, which is formed from basaltic rock. Basalt rock से black soil बनती है. See what happened is magma के cool होके solidify होने के बाद वो basaltic rock बनते हैं और उसी से black cotton soil मिलती है. तो ये पूरे डेक्कन ट्रैप में ब्लैक कॉटन सॉइल बहुत ज्यादा पाई जाती है. Why this black soil is known as black cotton soil? Because it is favorable for growing cotton. I hope this part is clear to all of you. This Malwa region is also known as wheat bowl of Madhya Pradesh, and crops like cotton, sugarcane, groundnut, soybean are also grown over here. Now, Ratapani and Selana Wildlife Sanctuary, they are also found in this region of Malwa Plateau. Apart from that, Sardarpur Sanctuary, which is famous for birds, is located, and also it is located in Dhar district, is found over here. And we also have the smallest sanctuary of Madhya Pradesh, that is Rala Mandal. It is located in Indore, and Indore is located in Malwa Plateau. And apart from that, some of the very famous tourist attractions are also located in this region, like the Chanderi. Where is Chanderi? Chanderi is located in the Ashoknagar district. So it is one of the famous tourist place. Chanderi Fort यहाँ पे located है. Apart from that, Chanderi sarees are very famous throughout India. There was this movie, O Stree Kalana. I don't really remember the name. I just remember this line from that movie. इस movie की पूरी shooting Chanderi में हुई है. I hope everything up till here is clear to all of you. Now let's move forward. Next is the Narmada Son Valley. See, it is the valley part between the two mountains जिससे नर्मदा flow करती है, सोन भी इसी में flow करती है. So ये part जो है, this comes under the Narmada Son Valley. It is the second largest physical division of Madhya Pradesh after Malwa Plateau. This region extends from northeast to west, that is यहाँ से कहीं से चालू होके पूरा west तक जाता है. It has an average elevation, ऊंचाई इसकी औसतन ऊंचाई है 300 मीटर. It covers an area of 86,000 square kilometer. मालवा प्लेट्यू ने कितना एरिया कवर किया था? 88,000 square kilometer, and it is around 27.9% of the area of Madhya Pradesh. It is bounded by Vindhya, Kaimur and Bhandir hills in the north and Satpura Michael range in the south. दैट इज नर्मदा सोन वैली के नॉर्थ में हमें विंध्या कैमूर भांडेर रेंज मिलती है, दैट इज विंध्यन रेंज मिलती है, और नर्मदा सोन वैली के साउथ में हमें सतपुड़ा माइकल रेंज मिलती है. I hope this is clear. It covers the district of Mandla, Jabalpur, then we have Hoshangabad, Khandwa. All these districts are also located on the bank of river Narmada. ये याद रखना. Then typical monsoon type climate prevails in this region, और जो औसतन वर्षा, औसतन रेनफॉल, जो एवरेज रेनफॉल जो यहाँ पे रिसीव होती है, दैट इज 55 to 140 सेंटीमीटर. एवरेज एलिवेशन, दैट इज औसतन ऊंचाई इसकी है 300 मीटर्स. This region is made up of Vindhyan, Dharwad, Deccan Trap and Kattappa rock. बहुत सारा, बहुत बड़ा रीजन है, इसलिए बहुत सारे यहाँ पे रॉक सिस्टम भी मिलते हैं. The major river that flows in this Narmada Soon valley is Narmada, Soon, Tapi and Tawa river. I hope everything up till here is clear to all of you. Let's take up a couple of questions. Which is the largest physical division of Madhya Pradesh? Is it Narmada Soon Valley? Is it Bundelkhand region? Is it Bagelkhand region? Or is it Malwa Plateau? So an easy question. Let's start the discussion. It's Malwa Plateau, which is the biggest physical division or the largest physical division of Madhya Pradesh. Then it is followed by Narmada Soon Valley. Then it is followed by Bundelkhand and Bagelkhand. I hope this is clear. So what is the correct chronology when we arrange these physical divisions according to their area from largest to smallest? It is Malwa Plateau, Narmada Soon, then we have Bundelkhand, then Bagelkhand. I hope this is clear to all of you. So D is the correct option. Just cut this. मैं आगे चला गया था. So I hope everything up till here is clear to all of you. Now we'll discuss the remaining two physical features, that is Satpura Michael Range and Bagelkhand Plateau in the next lecture. That's all from my side for today. Thank you.